Welcome to Explore Travel TV. My name is David L. Peters, and today I'm here actually on the Strip in Las Vegas. I'm actually in Las Vegas on the Strip area for a travel convention, travel agents convention. I do live in Las Vegas, but I get a chance to spend a couple of nights here at the Virgin Hotel. It's still fairly new, one of the newer hotels in Las Vegas, and I'm just going to go through and explore. I'm going to show you the room, and we're going to see what I can get inside. Let's go check out the hotel. Okay, so you saw the tour of the hotel and the room. Now, I've been here for 2 days now, so I want to give you my feedback because I'm heading out here this morning. I'm going to give you some pros and cons of what I think of the hotel. A lot of these are just my opinions. You have to make your own opinions. But let's talk about location first. Now, again, it is not on the Strip. It is away from the Strip. It's a couple miles. So if you are one that wants to be in the middle of everything, in the middle of the Strip, in the middle of the action, this is not the hotel for you. You need to go over there. If you want to get away from the Strip and come back to a little bit more relaxed atmosphere, this place really wasn't crowded. Now, I'm here during the week, and it's not anything special going on. But it wasn't very crowded. It was easy parking. It was free parking here, and it was nice. You can go into and get into a restaurant. There was no big lines, anything like that. So pros and cons on the location. Now, I only showed you a little bit of the casino because I wasn't here for this whole 2 days. I actually had a travel agency conference over at Caesars, so I was away for most of the time, but I wanted to show you a little bit. There's a lot more to this hotel than what I showed here on this video, so please go on their website and check it out and see what's going on, because they have, again, a lot more stuff. But they do have all your gaming things. And I didn't show the gaming floor because it's not really that cool to film people gambling and stuff, and they don't like that. So they do have their slot machines and all their poker tables and craps tables and things like that. So any of your gaming needs they have here as well. But again, they have some really nice restaurants, from high fine dining to some regular casual stuff, and a Dunkin' Donuts, which is great for me to get my coffee in the morning here, because if you go to some of the other places and you try to find the Starbucks in there, you're going to wait at least a half an hour to get your coffee. Here it was super quick. Okay, now let's talk about the room. First thing, again, when you come in, you have your closet there. Now they do give you some pretty cool amenities. They have a ironing board and iron, and a hair dryer, and a little mirror, and a safe, and that nice little makeup mirror kind of place there. There's no coffee maker here in the room. A lot of people always ask for that. Is there a coffee maker? We want coffee. No, you have to go down to the Dunkin' Donuts. Well, let's go into the shower. Let's go into the bathroom for a minute and into the shower. This is kind of weird. The shower is big, okay? It's a nice big shower, and it has one of those rainfall type shower heads, which is good if you want to just get wet without feeling like you're getting wet, because there's really no pressure. I like a little massage with my shower and a lot of pressure, you know. And also, if you have like long hair and you're trying to get soap and shampoo out of your hair, you're probably gonna have a hard time with that, because there's no pressure. But it's a nice rainfall, and it has a little handheld thing, but the pressure is not very good. The other issue I had was I got in the shower and realized, oh my God, there's no soap. So I had to get out of the shower and go get the soap that was in the bathroom. Nice little bar of soap, and they give you some lotion. So I had to grab that, get in the shower and do my soapy thing, and there's no place to put your soap. There's no ledge, there's no soap holders, there's no cubby holes, there's no anything. I had to put the soap down on the floor, or there's like a little step up for where the glass goes, and I had to put the soap down there. So it's kind of like, does anybody take a shower here? Where do you put your soap? And then the toilet flushes really good. It's a powerful toilet. The toilet paper is I'd say probably 3 out of 5 stars. It's not bad, but it's not the best toilet paper I've used. Okay, then in the sink area of the bathroom, very nice. Everything's good. They had the soap there. I washed my hands, got ready to go, and tried to dry off my hands. And there's no hand towels at all. No hand towels. No hand towel rack. No racks to hold your towels. There was the bath towels down below. 2 nice big bath towels. They were nice. They were comfy. They were soft. They were huge. I had to take one and put it up on the sink because there's no place to put it. There's no towel racks. You know, that's kind of weird. No towel racks, no small hand towels either. So, that was kind of weird. Okay, now in the bedroom area, the couch is really cool. The bed's really comfortable. It was very soft. It was comfortable. I slept really well. The pillows are soft, and they're big. They're big and they're comfortable. So they're not flat, anything like that. So the bed is great. It looks kind of weird. I mean, the headboard looks like it's part of a couch, like you had to pull out, and then there's that thing at the base of it that is like a chair shoved underneath there. I don't know what that's for. Maybe if you have somebody that wants to sit in bed, sit up in bed and face you, and you're the other direction or something. I think it's just a design thing. It's just kind of weird, but it is what it is. Now the outlet plugs, there are tons of outlet plugs in this place. You can plug lots of stuff in, and plus they have the USB as well built into it. And I think I saw a couple of USB-C plug even on there, but there's a lot of plugs, a lot of outlets, so you can plug all your stuff in. The view from my hotel was really nice. Got the view of the pool, so that's good. Now at nighttime last night, I guess there's that little nightclub that's down there, and they started kicking off at about 11 o'clock last night. Now, I could hear them, but it wasn't super loud. I was able to kind of drown them out, make sure the doors are closed, the curtains are closed, that kind of stuff. But if you are the party type, you should probably go down there and enjoy them, join them in with that party, instead of here trying to sleep at 11 o'clock at night. But so they do a lot of concerts and things out there as well. So if you're staying out here with the room facing this way, you may have some late night noise to contend with. Again, mine wasn't that bad, and they didn't have any concerts. It was just a little nightclub down the way. And the minibar was fully stocked and with the goodies, but again, beware, please, that those things cost a lot of money. There is no chart in here on how much they are, so it's a surprise. You get your bill. If you go in there and take something out, if you take it out and put it back in, they're still going to charge you. If you touch or move any of that stuff in there, you're going to be charged. And they're not telling you how much it is until you go to check out and you look at your bill and you're like, holy cow, that's a lot of money for a beer or a snack, you know, or a bag of chips or whatever they have over there. You don't touch it unless you are really needing to do that and have a lot of money to spend on it. So, well, that's it. That's my quick little review of the Virgin Hotel. Again, it's not bad, but it's not great. I think I'd probably give it a nice good average, maybe a 3.5 to 4 stars if I was to put everything into a star rating on it. But it was okay. It was okay for me for what I needed to use it for. Just don't have a lot of high expectations. It's not a high fancy, high class kind of hotel, but it's not budget either. So anyways, take it for what you want. I hope you enjoyed this little tour and review of the Virgin Hotel. If you did like it, please hit the thumbs up button. I do appreciate it. And that subscribe button if you like this kind of stuff. Again, it's a travel show, but I live in Las Vegas and I do a lot of Las Vegas stuff when I can get here to do this kind of thing. So I appreciate that. And remember, life is short, so live it and travel more when you can. See you guys next time.